My name is Megat Faiz Safizuddin bin Megat Syam. My matric number is B06110047.
Hello, my name is Nuraj Analik Estevinder and my matric number is B06210320.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nurain Straya binti Rusli and my matric number is B0621102886.
Hi, my name is Tamara Florette Ladero Brand. My matric number is B0621103002.
Hi everyone, my name is Wei Xiaoqi. My matric number is B06211022. So today I would like to present about role of marketing during new product development. So for marketing roles during new product development, there are 5 stages. The first stage is scoping. The second stage is building business case. The third stage is development. The fourth stage is testing and validation. The final stage is full launch. So our group chose Apple company in this topic. So let me introduce something about Apple company. Apple company is a multinational company which makes customer customer gadgets, personal computers, mobile communication devices, computer software and peripherals, business servers, and distributes digital media content. In addition, the business operates a network of brick-and-mortar and online retail establishments referred as Apple establishments. So now I would like to talk about how Apple to pop out the idea. There are 5 types. The first is products and services. Surprisingly, technology that changes the world. Apple makes sure that product stylish, simple, and essential, easy to use, essential to stay at the forefront of
Thank you, Oi. Next, I will continue to stage 2. Stage 2, which is build business case. Build business case. A business case is developed during the early stage of a project and outlines the why, what, how, and who necessary to decide if it's worldwide continuing a project. One of the first thing you need to know when starting a new project or product care, the benefits and of the purpose, business change, and how to communicate those benefits to the business. There are 4 sections in business case. First is executive summary. Second is finance. Third is project definitions. And fourth is project organizations. First, executive summary. The executive summary is the ultimate elevator pitch where you introduce the idea for your business, provide background, talk about approach and result, and convey confidence that you will be successful. Next is financial. Financial statements are chart with lots of numbers and few words describing what they are all about. Therefore, it's advisable to have an introductory page in your financial plan explaining in plain English the key assumptions and how each one was determined. Third is project definitions. A project definition is a project is defined as an effort to create or modify a specific product or service. Projects are temporary works effort with a clear beginning and ends. Project can be completely contained within a specific unit or department or include other organizations and vendors. Lastly, a project organizations. Project organizations in Apple refer to the style of coordinations, communication, and management a teams use throughout a project life cycle. Project organization encourage participation by each team members and embrace diverse talent and skill. Why Apple need a business case? Every business need a business case. Same goes to Apple. Preparing the business case involves an assessment of business problem and opportunity, benefit, risk, cost including investment appraisal, technical solution, time scale, impact on operators, organization capability to deliver the project outcomes. Then, Apple business strategy. There are 4 Apple business strategy, which is 1. Focus on design and functionality of products. Second, enhancing customer experience. Third, strengthening Apple ecosystem. And lastly, decreasing dependence of the business on the sale of iPhones. Lastly, a business case should be concise and to the point. For small project, it may run to a few pages. For larger project and complex business change and drivers, the document will be large. Therefore, be sure to keep the intended audience in mind when preparing each sections and include supporting information in an appendix. For instance, the optional appraisal sections may summarize each option with the details contained elsewhere for reference. To conclude, the purpose of the business case is to outline the business rationale for undertaking a project and to provide a means to continually assess and evaluate project progress. Thank you. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
History development. Before I start my presentation, I would like to ask you guys, what is development? Development is a product life cycle, is the research phase before a product is introduced to the marketplace. For example, product development can often be as simple as taking an existing product, modify it slightly, and selling it into your existing market. If the feedback from consumer or your business association is positive, a prototype or sample is created. This stage will allow you to see if the product works and to allow your target market to use it or provide feedback for improvement. This is called as development. Product development process. What is the usage of product development process? Product development process is used for develop a product or innovate a product that is existing in the market to a better product to the environment. Apple company has been used 6 product development process, which was analyze the current situation and identify the problem. Second is generate and collect ideas properly. Third is organize your idea correctly. Fourth is evaluate and select idea. Fifth is create market launch plan, and sixth is introduce development product. Example, Apple company has launched iPhone 7 on 2016. In the same year, Apple company has developed the iPhone 7 and launched another iPhone which called iPhone 7 Plus in the same year, which called a development process has been made in iPhone 7. Plan means Apple company can give a prioritize to their weakness categories, for example sales, marketing, R&D, operation, people, finance, and admin. So by giving prioritize, they can improve their product and can increase their market in their developing process. Timeline. Apple. On 1984, Apple has launched Macintosh computer, while at 1995, Apple company has launched a Toyo Story Flip. In 1998, Apple company introduced iMac. In 2001, Apple company introduced iPod music player. In 2007, Apple company introduced iPhone. In 2010, Apple company introduced iPad. This is called as development in the Apple industry. Design a high-end smartphone in which the user's experience is most important than making a slew of future available. The iPhone was not the first smartphone to have mobile web, email, and touchscreen user interface capability, but it was designed to offer an improvement experiment compared to other smartphones. This is why customers wait in line for hours to purchase new version of Apple product in our world. Version of iPhone. For example, in 2017, Apple product has launched iPhone 8. In the same year, Apple product has launched 8 Plus and iPhone X. What is different between 8 and 8 Plus? The difference is only the size of phone, the quality of camera, and the software. This is called as development in an iPhone. Apple company has made the development in their product according to their customer feedback. Every product their customer purchase, they will ask the customer their feedback to improve their product in futures. So their customer stay in connect with their product. I will pass the next presentation to my fellow members.
I will continue. Stage 4, testing and validation. What the testing and validation? Validation testing is the quality assurance process that verifies that a software application meets the needs and requirement of its stakeholder. The main goal of validation testing is to verify whether a software product meets its acceptance criteria. It is the static practice of studying and verifying the specific requirement of a particular stage in development. It is the dynamic practice of testing the final product after development to check that it meets customer requirement. It does not require exiting code. Iteration is key. Like any good design company, the design process at Apple is not over when manufacturing begins. In fact, Apple iterates the design throughout manufacturing. The product is built, it's tested and reviewed. Then the design teams improve on it, and it's built all over again. This cycle takes 4 to 6 weeks at a time and may be run many times over a product development life cycle. We can see picture at the left, stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. It is process validation. Why validation testing is important? Software validation can help product development teams ensure their product can satisfy customer needs and expectations. Validation testing can also help software developer identify and fix coding bugs or address other areas of improvement before launching the products. We use V-model to more easy to understand about validation. V-model also referred to as the verification and validation model. Verification involves a static analysis method done without executing code, and validation involves dynamic analysis method. Functional and non-functional testing is done by executing code. Okay, we look at validation phase. Validation phase have coding, unit testing, component testing, system integration testing, etc. testing. Okay, so testing and validation is well planned customer testing and trial using rigorous agreed methodology. Okay, we pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
We have come to the final stage of developing a new product, which is stage 5, full launch. Apple does their product launching by around fall every year, which usually occurs around September or October annually. The product launching is called Apple Event, followed by the year the product is launched, which, for example, iPhone 14 was released last year and it's called Apple. It was released in Apple Event 2022. Now, why is this important? Apple has always been known for their high quality products, from their exterior system and software development. This is also to widen their products among new and existing customers. New products are usually introduced based off customer complaints, customer demands, and the study of the customer wants and needs for the current and the future market. So what is this got to do with marketing? So everyone wants to try an Apple product, even if you're a new Apple customer or your existing Apple customer. Everyone wants to try it. When Apple releases a product, they want to try. So it's from business class people using Apple because of their centralized system to young teenagers like us for using Apple because it's a classy, prestigious product. And for normal customers who simply are happy with the Apple system itself. So Apple Event 2022 released a few products such as the iPhone 14, which includes the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14, a few types of iPhone 14s, iPad 10.9 inch, the 10th generation, Apple Watch Ultra, AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and many more such as the MacBook and so much more Apple products. That is all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys get what product launch means. Thank you.